What's going on? Y'all already know it's time to whip the pot and serve the DeFi sauce. I'm not gonna waste no time. Let's get right into it. Fear and greed index. We're still in greed. We were at 60. Yep. Yesterday. I was gonna say 2 days ago. Yesterday we were at 60. Maybe even 2 days ago. But right now we're sitting at 56. Well, that's saying 59. This is saying 56. There's something going on here. There's also it updates. There you go. It updates. Probably this updates quicker. Look at that. Just learned something too. So let's go to Bitcoin rainbow chart. Let's see if we learn something here too. We seeing that it's basically trying to climb up, and it took a little dip. It's pretty small. It has enough power maybe to hold that level to then push up, but this portion of the line of the color, whatever you want to call it, is going to be key to break and hold and then hold steady, because we can break it just like here and then dump. You know what I mean? Like you can break it and then dump. So just don't FOMO in. Well, actually do whatever you want, but it's still a great time to buy at these prices. Let's go right into Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's start off with Bitcoin, matter of fact. So for those that don't know, this is just this right here, this yellow line, is just an idea. Saying that Bitcoin can go up here and then come down, then fake people up, then to come down and have people grab these people from here to then push up, have you think there is going up, etc., and just do whatever it has to do. But that's just speculation. Obviously, I don't know what the market's gonna do. We'll see. It can do this same pattern right here, boom, 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 and then drop down, come down here, pick up to then go up. Who knows, right? And I'll let you know why I think that in a second. But overall, in the monthly, weekly, daily, we're looking, a little strong. I'm liking the monthly, more the monthly. Like let's say, RSI is looking FA. Where you at? So I don't know why that's not here. Let me get that going real quick. So we get RSI. You can have, your free trading view, and you can use, I think it's up to 3 with the free one, but either way, we see the RSI coming up, crossing up. The MACD is not here neither. Wow, we don't have nothing today, huh? It's all right though. So the MACD is about to curve up too soon. It doesn't have to, but that's what it's looking like. I think we need a breather to then push up, but we can also, if we push up too aggressive, then that's why I see this pattern. If we got a breather here, then this might change to another situation where we could probably even push up to 37. Who knows? But this is the most realistic one. The reality is that it can go wherever. We're just going by the sentiment of the market, etc., etc. But let's go with this right here. So basically, Ethereum is looking the same way. If you look at the weekly, the daily, volume is not there so much, but it is going sideways. So we have to see what happens there. And wait a minute, with Bitcoin, I feel like I wanted to show you guys one more thing. No, besides that, the Fibonacci level, it plays out however you want, because again, like if I have it on the monthly, I can bring this Fibonacci level over here, and then bring this level over here. Let's say to the high, and then we see where we at. We're basically on top of the 236 and going towards, and look at that. Look at, by coincidence, I didn't even peep. Where I put it is because I'm seeing this level here. It's not because I'm a genius. It's because these levels of liquidity is obvious. Boom, 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 boom on the monthly. If you see it on the weekly, daily, you're gonna see way more. You see that? So basically on the monthly, the Fibonacci goes right there. You know what? I'm gonna leave it right there, because now I like that even better. Because now we see what is going on from this past low, and we can go lower. You can go lower, and you can go here, or you can go wherever. Let's see where that takes us, and it basically takes us on top, or just a little above this Fibonacci. So wherever y'all want to leave it. Matter of fact, yeah, let's leave it right there, just cause. So yeah, that's that. Oh, that's what I wanted to show y'all. This pattern. Basically, if y'all go here, y'all already know what I'm gonna tell y'all. Cheat. What is it? Wall Street cheat sheet. Boom. We're gonna get this cheat sheet. You can Google it. You can do whatever you want. You can amplify it. you know, open a new tab, whatever. So basically, y'all see the cycle, and if we put 2 and 2, you can see somewhat similarities, you know, from these two little tops here, and then, you know, basically the push down. This is basically you know, a psychological, you know, basically from a psychological point of view, where you have people that have hope, then optimism, then belief, thrill, euphoria, whatever. It just keeps going until we're in panic, and then anger, and then depression, and then here's when we really go up, because then you have the people that is thinking that it's a disbelief, and then we start to chart all over again. You see this belief is right here, and then we keep boom, boom. So right now, if you look at it in the monthly, we're looking at we either here or here, at least in the monthly. I don't know. You know, I don't. If you look at it on the weekly, it looks like we're. If you look at it on the weekly, it looks like we're here somewhere. But I like to see it long term because, you know, the data doesn't lie, and you know, long term is obviously a better view of the overall market. So right now, if you see this little, whatever, this little pump up right here, it looks like, you know, somewhere here. And if you see this past movements, you know, it's probably not to a T, but you can see these past movements here. So we somewhere here where you know, denial, maybe anxiety, maybe panic, whoever, I think. But either way, that's just my point of view. And yeah, man, let's get right into drip. Drip is going at 57. I think I think it's at 72 already on the actual drip website. We have pigs at 54. So I believe, did it go up? Oh, it tried to go up. And I guess, okay, because earlier I did a video. So dogs been sitting at 14. We've seen it since earlier. So yeah, that's that. It can pump up, we'll see. We have lit already pegged, so that means we're printing. This is beautiful. This is where everybody wanted the coin to be, because realistically this is where tombs always sit at, the $1. You know, obviously it's above $1, it's 120, so still bullish. But you know, less than 24 hours, we got the community to react, and you know, they did their thing, because it wasn't us. They really did they did their thing right there. So let's go to why are you like that? Why are you like this? So if we see on the weekly, and this is GDS. Boom. All right, so on the weekly, let's put a Fibonacci. This is kind of iffy here, so I'm gonna just put it anyways. But I really can't count this bottom because there was no liquidity. So you know what? I just can't. And I try always, but I can't. So basically, you know, you have these levels here. It broke down because of fear, etc. So if you go into the 4 hour, if you go in, you know, you have to go in a little deeper. You probably have to go in a little deeper. And let's go to the hour. Look, and I'm doing this with y'all. So thing is, there was no liquidity here, so it's kind of tough to say, but we can say that you see this candle here. Let's count this candle. Boom. And look, this is how we find things. I'm doing it with y'all. This is how we find things. So boom, let's say that's that, right? And let's say I think the top was, it wasn't really 8,000. It's really where it opened mostly, but you know, the true number where it sat at, it was 1,000, 1,500, etc. So that's why we're playing it off by that number. This is probably tough to say because the thing is, you know, this dump was one thing, this dump was another, this dump was another. So it's safe to say that it looks like a little floor. You know, we got a little floor there. Boom, and it reacted. So we can either see a pump up towards this level 444, we can see a little retracement, and then a pump up, or you know, we can see it hang around this area for a while. Who knows? If the market goes bullish, everything's gonna go up. So you know, I'm not gonna tell y'all that it's gonna go straight to 10,000 because you know it's a project that I'm involved in. I will never do that. And if y'all ever catch me saying that, please tell me to erase the video because that would be irresponsible. So I would never tell you, you know, any coin. Oh, Zip, Cyberswap. This one was dope. You see? Oh boy, hold up. I was just talking about this. I said it in my previous video, and look at the drawing here. Anyways, I said it can play out to come up to then, you know, to come down and, you know, hang around here. Obviously this is a ugly drawing, but I said I was gonna get to this level, which was that $9 to $7 mark. It went to $8.68. You know, it still has room to go down and make a floor here on that $5 area to then push up. just like it can hold this $8 level and then push up, just like it can hang around here and then dump, whoever, whatever they want to do. It's on the people, holding the community and holding the community down, and the community itself, So, that's why we say never buy into the FOMO. If you bought here at 22, you're a little bit down, maybe half, literally, because it's at 11. So yeah, man, it's definitely looking spooky. It's looking good. It's looking okay for a buy. On a few coins, compared to the top. But either way, do your due diligence. Don't believe me. Don't believe nobody. Don't follow nobody. Nobody's a financial advisor, especially not me.